Hello everyone. Welcome to Mindful Minutes podcast. I'm Anna, and today I will talk with my friend Tom about our daily activities and the weather.
Hi everyone, I'm Tom. Today I'll chat with my friend Anna about what we do every day and the weather.
Let's start. Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Anna, I'm good. Thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. What did you do this morning?
I woke up at 7 o'clock. Then, I had breakfast. How about you?
Yes, I went for a short walk in the park. The sun was shining.
Oh, I see. The weather is nice today. It's warm and sunny.
Do you like sunny days, Tom?
Yes, I do. I like sunny days, but I like rainy days too. They are quiet and peaceful.
I will read a book and drink some tea. And you?
I will watch TV and then call my friend.
That sounds fun. Do you usually drink water every day?
Yes, I drink water 3 times a day. It is very important.
Great. Healthy food is important for everyone.
I eat fruit and vegetables every day. I like apples and carrot. I like cooking. I can make eggs and salad. What about you?
I like cooking too. I can make sandwiches and pasta. I will visit my grandparents. And you?
I will play football with my friend.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
Yes, talking with you makes my day better. See you.
Me too, Tom. See you tomorrow.
Anna, bye. Thanks for listening to me. I hope our conversation helped you practice English words and expressions. Bye, and see you next time.
See you next time.